Hey guys, thank you for coming back to Gene Loves Plants, bringing in this new year with me. It's 2024. I had to move some things around. Before we get started, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you tell a friend. You know the deal. Right now we're looking at my Pothos, and I have to restake her. But I had to move some things around first, so that's why you're seeing some spaces. So come and join me. Watch me restake my Pothos. So we're going to speed this along because I don't know how much fun it is for you guys to watch me restake my Pothos. But this is my little jungle in my apartment in my little corner of Harlem. My Hawaiian Pothos wasn't growing for a very long time. I guess it was just establishing its roots. But look at this girl. She thrived so much on the pole, I have to give her a longer pole. The empty space you see there actually belonged to my Monstera deliciosa. And Monsteras are just that. So if you get one, just know it's going to take over your entire apartment. And what was happening was, it was growing up. It was taking over like the light for other plants, but it was also getting burned by the grow lights that you see there. And you do need a broad spectrum light, but those purple lights aren't necessarily my favorites. They're just the lights that I had first. Also, the Monstera deliciosa is on a wooden pole, but it's wrapped in sphagnum moss, and it's the last plant that I had to kind of transition over to a bamboo pole. If you guys remember in videos past, I did have sphagnum moss poles, but I'm not really into them. For me, they're a little messy. I'm not into the maintenance. I work a full-time job, so the bamboo poles are great for me. And when I was traveling to Cancun, these Hawaiian Pothos gripped onto cement walls, so I don't think that it was necessary for the plant that I have. This is a super simple process, actually. I just get these poles from a store in New York in the flower district called Jamali. I'll also leave that link. And they're fairly inexpensive. You get 3 poles. They're about 6 feet tall, and I think they're like $20. I do feel like I want to cut the vines because they're long. What I'm finding is that as the plant matures, those vines are getting thicker and stronger, and I kind of want to see what happens. I will eventually cut them, and that's one of the great things about a Pothos, is that they make great gifts. They grow so fast, and they propagate pretty fast as well. So they're great plants to give as gifts to your friends. And that's pretty much it, guys. It's my first plant video of 2024, so I wanted to bring you guys along for the ride. It's a short video. It's a fast video. I just wanted you guys to see what I do on a day-to-day basis with the plants that are in my home. And hopefully, with God's good grace, this will be the first of many videos here on Gene Loves Plants. I'm so thankful for you. I'm glad you stopped by, and I can't wait to see you guys next week. Have a great week.